Hello everyone, this is Sumeeth here. So far we discussed about what is testing, what is manual testing and automation testing, what are the types of tools to perform the manual automation testing, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of automation testing. Now let's get into the depth and start what is Selenium. That was the overall view of what is automation testing. Now coming to Selenium, it is one of the functional testing tool. So let's start what is Selenium. Selenium is a functional testing tool which has developed by Jason Huggins and team in ThoughtWorks company. It was developed by Jason Huggins and team in the year of 2004. So this is the time when Selenium came into the picture. In ThoughtWorks company, it was an internal tool developed by Jason Huggins and team in 2004. The original name of the Selenium was JSFT, JavaScript Functional Tester. JSFT. This was the original name, JavaScript Functional Tester. So Selenium supports multiple languages like Java. So JSFT is nothing but original name of Selenium. Selenium supports multiple languages like Java, .NET, PHP, Python, etc. Java, .NET, PHP, Python, etc. So as discussed earlier, this is one of the advantages of Selenium. Now coming to the advantages of Selenium. First advantage of Selenium is it is an open source tool. What is open source? Any tool which can be available in internet without any cost, or there is no license cost needed for it, is nothing but an open source tool. So we can download Selenium, or we can work on Selenium without any license cost. We can download it from the official website seleniumhq.org and we can work on it. So it supports multiple browsers and multiple windows. It supports multiple browsers and multiple environments like Windows, Linux, etc. And we can work on multiple browsers like IE, Firefox, Chrome, etc. So you can consider this is the third advantage. Next, coming to the fourth advantage, it supports mobile applications, Android applications, etc. Mobile applications and Android applications. Now coming to the disadvantages of Selenium. So earlier we discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of automation testing. Now we are discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of Selenium. These four are the advantages of Selenium. It is an open source, it supports multiple browsers, it supports multiple platforms, it supports mobile applications and Android applications. Coming to disadvantages of Selenium. So there are three disadvantages of Selenium. The first one is it supports only web-based applications. It supports only web-based applications. It does not support desktop applications. This is the first disadvantage with Selenium. Coming to second disadvantage of Selenium, it supports multiple languages. So this we can consider as an advantage as well as a disadvantage. Multiple languages. So advantage with these multiple languages with Selenium is, suppose a person knows Java, he can work on Selenium with Java. If a person knows Python, he can work on it on Selenium with Python language. At the same time, the disadvantage with the multiple languages is, so in different companies, different organizations, people may be working on Selenium with different languages. So in order to get working on that company, we need to learn that language. If an organization works Selenium with Java, we need to know Java. If an organization works with Selenium with any other language, Python, we need to have the knowledge on Python. So this becomes one of the disadvantage of Selenium. And lack of technical support is the third and main disadvantage of Selenium. Lack of technical support. So as we discussed earlier, Selenium is an open source, so we don't have much technical support available for it. So when you go to Qtp, it's one of another functional testing tool. We are going to get the support for that. If there is any problem or any error while working with the Qtp, we can call the customer care of Qtp and they will come and they will solve our problem. But in Selenium, as it is an open source, we don't have any technical support available for this. So these are the only three advantages with the Selenium. Now we are going to next discuss about Selenium components. There are four components of Selenium. First one is Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Second component of Selenium is RC, Remote Control. Third component of Selenium is WD, WebDriver. This is the main component of Selenium. Next, coming to fourth component, Selenium Grid. So these are the four components in Selenium. We are going to discuss in detail on all these four components. In the next session, we will start with IDE. What is IDE? We will complete that. And then before starting to RC, remote control, we need to have the knowledge on Java. So we will go through some commonly used methods and what is Java. We will see that, and after that we will go to RC. Thank you guys.